Do you want to read manga but don't know which platform to use? In this video, I'll be revealing the top 3 platforms to read manga on Android, iOS, and even your PC devices easily in 2026. Now, the first platform that I'm going to be revealing in this video is called K-Manga. With K-Manga, you are going to have access to a lot of categories of mangas. You can see them all over your screen, from action, romance, sports, isekai, and so much more available. So many popular manga available on this platform, just as you can see on your screen right now, and it's very easy to use. Now, if you are to click on anything, you'll be able to access a limited amount of chapters legally for free. So let me say I want to read this manga right now, and I click on it. It's going to give me some chapters to read for free. So as you can see, it is downloading up. So you can see these are some few chapters available for free. But for you to get 100% access to each and every content on this platform, you have to upgrade to premium. So it's very simple and easy to use. If you go to the Google Play Store right now, you can see K-Manga is currently having over 1 million downloads. You can see that, which means that it is worth your time. So you guys have to give K-Manga a try. Now, the second platform available on my list is called Manga Plus. Now, Manga Plus is quite popular when it comes to manga because they have a lot. Like when I say a lot, there's so much manga available here for you to, to actually read. You are never going to get bored when it comes to Manga Plus. So you can already see so much available in here. Fully available for Android, iOS, and a lot of devices. If we go to the ranking section real quick, you see the hottest manga, trending manga section. So you can already see so much in here. So let me say you want to read any of this. All you have to do is just click on it. It's going to load up a little bit. Then it's going to show you, the different chapters available. So all you have to do is just click on any of the chapters. It's going to open right up. And just like that, you can start reading the manga. So you can see that. Very simple and easy to use. Now, this is available for Android, iOS, and so many other devices. If I go to the Google Play Store real quick, Manga Plus is currently having 10 million downloads on the Google Play Store. So you guys have to give this platform a try. And of course, if you are reading manga on this platform for free, it's going to be a bit limited. But if you want your 100% full complete access to all the mangas on this platform, you have to upgrade to premium. Now, moving on to the last platform on my list, this platform is called Global Comics. With the help of Global Comics, you're not just getting just manga, you're also getting comics, web comics, as well as manga, all in the same place. Now you can see they have the free tab. In this free tab, you can have access to a lot of free manga and comics in there, and also there is a total of over 100,000 comics and mangas in this platform. So you can already see so much on your screen. Very simple and easy to use platform. If I go to the manga section real quick, it's going to load up, and just like that, you can already start seeing a lot of manga that you can actually read on this platform. Very simple and easy to use. Now, you also have to upgrade to premium if you actually want 100% access to everything on their platform. But if you just want to read a limited amount of chapters, you can go for free, and you'll be able to have access to some limited amount of chapters on their platform. So it's very simple and easy to use. So just as you can see, let me remove this. Just as you can see, you can already start seeing I've already started reading the manga. So it's very simple and easy to use. Now, Global Comics is also available on the Google Play Store, currently having over 1 million downloads in there, which means that this is actually worth your time. You can see they have over 350 plus publishers, over 5,000 plus creators. Now, this is a very good legal platform for you to utilize. So in this video, I've given you guys the best 3 platforms to use for reading mangas. So give each and every one a try, and let me know which one you actually prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.